Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Books, Coffee and More. We are very busy in our lives that we hardly get any time for ourselves, let alone read some books on self-development or personality development or to improve our lives. And moreover, we are all confused as to what books to read, where to start, how to start and so on. Here in this episode, I'll be sharing with you 10 self-development books which will not only save some of your time researching on what to read, but would also help you in a greater way to develop or improve your lifestyle. If you like my episode, please don't forget to rate, review and share. First book is Atomic Habits by James Clear. James Clear, one of the world's leading experts on habit formation, reveals practical strategies that will teach you exactly how to form good habits, break bad ones, and master the tiny behaviors that lead to remarkable results. In this book, you can learn how to make time for new habits, overcome a lack of motivation and willpower, and much more. Atomic Habits will give you the tools and strategies you need to transform your habits, whether you are a team looking to win a championship, or an organization hoping to redefine an industry, or simply an individual who wishes to quit smoking, lose weight, reduce stress, or achieve any other goal. Second book is Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert. In Big Magic, the author discusses issues faced by most creative people, especially fear. She breaks the big magic into 6 sections, which are courage, enchantment, permission, persistence, trust, and divinity. Gilbert offers insights on how we can unleash our creativity in spite of being afraid. Third book is You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero. In this book, Jen tells you to stop caring what others think of you and focus on yourself. She wants you to figure out what you want and start taking steps to get it. You have to change your habits and change those around you if they don't support your efforts. Fourth book is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This book is not about how to manipulate people to like you, but about creating relationships with others. Dale Carnegie shows us how we can create relationships with others at work and home by simply coming to their level, being empathic, and making them open up to us. Fifth book is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. This book is a guide to improve all areas of your life, from work to relationships to life principles. By becoming effective, you not only become a more productive person, but create an impact on your life and lives of those around you. Sixth book is Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. Chris Voss is a former international hostage investigator for the Federal Bureau of Investigation. He shares his experiences and principles in his book Never Split the Difference. In his book, Voss shares 9 counterintuitive strategies that an average person can use in his personal and professional life. Seventh book is The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. If you want to develop a habit of living more in the present, I recommend this book to help you appreciate now and worry less. Eckhart Tolle takes a spiritual approach to show us that life is a series of present moments, and often we miss them because we are focusing so much in the past or the future. Eighth book is The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Charles Duhigg shows in his book how the habits that we develop can change our lives. Duhigg shows how we can use habits to improve all areas of our lives, from becoming more productive, quitting bad habits such as smoking, dieting, and even in organizations, to create a positive environment and work culture. Ninth book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. This book will help you to change your way of thinking, your life, improve your relationships, suppress fears, and modify your habits so that you can achieve your goals and attain general well-being. 10th book is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson. This book is not about not caring at all. It is about choosing what to care about. The book actually teaches you to give a fuck about things that are important and not to every little shit of your life. That's all for today, guys. If you like my episode, please don't forget to like, comment and share. And you can follow my blog for more such recommendation. I'll drop the link in the description box. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with a new episode very soon. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.